Hi everyone, this is KJF Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will gonna do another reaction video from Kim Pao, but this time medyo special tayo. Medyo special talaga. Kasi itong vlog na to, marami akong nakikitang paulit-ulit sa TikTok. Pero ang interview lang ni Paolo at ni Kim Chiu ang nakita ko doon. Pero for today's video, this is the cool something like, hindi naman interview, it's just like parang nasa stage sila. So the title of the said video is Berocca Lunches. It's new single sa Shay and introduce Kim Chiu and Paolo Abilino as ambassador. So dito, gusto kong makita how they treated each other na hindi pa sila as couple or love team. Parang stranger lang sila na okay, kinuha siya ambassador. Ang makakapartner mo na ambassador Paolo, si Kim Chiu. Something like that. So dito kasi mag-gauge natin or ma-analyze natin the difference of between then and now. So I won't take any longer. I'm really excited to watch this kung paano mag-act si Kim Chiu in front of Paolo. And also Paolo, actually siguro kay Paolo for sure ha. Wala talaga pinagbago kasi Paolo is nonchalant. Right? And wait lang, gusto ko lang pala talagang linawin to, no? If you're new to my channel, pag gumagawa ako ng reaction video, whether it's artista man yan, TikTok compilation man yan, or music video, I didn't do any research. Okay, hindi ko talaga siya ginagawa ng research kasi I just want to show my genuine reaction dito sa aking YouTube channel. So, this is not a chika channel, okay? This is not your typical channel na may chika channel na may makikita kayo nagpa-flash tapos may nagvo-voice over. No, it's not. This is a reaction video. So, parang alam mo yung nagre-react ako on the spot. So, marami kasi nagsasabi na huli ka na naman and everything, na parang do your research muna bago something like that. Dear, as what I have said, this is an on-the-spot reaction. Usually, pag gumagawa ako ng reaction video, this is an on-the-spot reaction. So, I want to get alawin, dami kong chika kasi gusto ko talaga makita ko how Paolo reacted or how Kim reacted in front of each other, or in front of Paolo Abilino and Paolo naman in front of Kim Chiu na medyo strangers pa sila, right? And if I'm not mistaken, please correct me if I'm wrong. Ano na dito si Paolo? Kapamilya na siya or kapuso pa din siya nang andito yung Berocca? So, yeah, panoorin natin to. Okay.
Let's do this intro. We have seen him star in award-winning Filipino mainstream and indie movies, teleseries, and commercials. A best actor and dubbed as the Prince of Philippine Teleserye. He also has a passion for
Prince of Philippine Teleserye.
to maintain his physique.
And she too is no stranger to movies and television, having been dubbed as the Princess of Philippine movies.
Wow, of course!
With her craft in acting and
Ngayon, feeling ko queen na eh. Masasabi na natin queen na, no? May queen of teleserye ba ang ABS?
She also does Muay Thai and trains for triathlons.
Sino yung MC? Parang ang galing.
Let us all welcome on stage Mr. Paolo Abilino.
Ay, ayan na siya! Tino natin. Ay, hawak-hawak niya pa rin. Hello! Hello! Wait lang. Alam mo yung hawak-hawak tapos binitawan agad. Wala pang 5 seconds pero binitawan agad. Alam mo, makikita mo talagang awkward. May awkwardness talaga dito. Ako nafe-feel ko talaga na may awkwardness yung paghawak tapos binitawan agad. 'Di ba? Hindi pa nga sila nakaabot sa gitna ng stage, binitawan agad. Paakyat pa sila, like mga 3 seconds pa lang sila. Pagpapakilala doon, hinawakan tapos binitawan agad. So parang alam mo yung mafe-feel mo yung awkwardness. So dito pala makikita na natin yung difference between then and now. Right? Kasi ngayon, dahil parang hindi na sila mapaghihiwalay pag nagpe-perform sila sa stage. Oo, given na yung, okay, love team kasi sila and everything, kasi may kukontra na naman dyan ng mga basha. Oo, given na yung, kasi love team sila. Dear, kung makita niyo yung unang mall tour nila, na as love team, sa linlang, hindi ganun sila. Ginagalit niyo ako. Bulag talaga kayo. Charis! Bulag talaga kayo for today's video. Ginagalit nyo ako. Ganon yon. May 3 stages sila eh. Ito, awkwardness. Pangalawa, semi-awkward. Pangatlo, very sweet for today's video. Charis! Ang dami ko, chika. Ang gwapo ni Pao. Ayan, may mga nagsabi na naman na puro na lang gwapo ni Pao maririnig namin. Ay, ano ngayon? Ano gusto mo ikaw? Charis! Magpakita ka kaya ng mukha mo sa YouTube. Ginagalit nyo ako ah.
Yes, and thank you everyone for coming.
Si Kim, awkward si Kim mo. This is not the typical Kim that I used to watch. Kasi si Kim talaga parang kiti-kiti.
Ba't lang gumawa ng Berocca cocktails? So,
Okay.
So, bilang narinig ko kanina, ginagawa ang chaser.
Talaga? Talaga? Uy!
Again, thank you for gracing this.
Talaga? Makikita mo talaga dito, oh.
Yes, and everyone's so energetic today, no? I love it. Okay, so
Wala may nag-agree. Sino yung lalaking host?
And you know, championing
Ay, si Alexander, si Alex Diaz. Si Alex Diaz.
energy naman, friends.
Oo, si Alex Diaz. Wala na siya ngayon, oh. Saan na kaya siya?
Alright, so which means their days are full of shoots, appearances, taping.
Ah.
So really hard work.
May interview ba? I-forward natin. Ay, to. Ano chika ni Kim? Ay, napatawad si Pao doon. Wait lang, napasmile si Pao. Ay, ang cute ni Paulo tumawa.
Yes, that is true. Pero aside from projects and work, I always make time to stay healthy and fit. And syempre, I also want
At syempre, kasama mo na si Paulo nag-exercise. Ganun yun.
I can't afford to be sick dahil ang dami-dami kong gustong gawin every day of my life. Like, parang...
Kim, hindi ka napapagod. Yung totoo. Kim, yung totoo, hindi ka napapagod.
Dami-dami gustong gawin. And with Paolo also.
Ay, with Paulo, gusto niya makasama si Paulo dati pa. Ganon? Charis, and with Paulo?
But anyway,
Kalmado si Pao. Si Paulo talaga, pag magsalita noon at ngayon, ganun pa din.
But it's a good thing that we get so much energy to finish everything we do every day.
Ang dami ko kasing napanood nito na video na hindi kumpleto. TikTok lang.
Honestly, I'm very happy and very proud to say that even before Baroka called me and actually got me, I was actually a user.
Ako din, user din ako ng Beloka before kasi natigil kasi wala nang pambili. Charis!
It was such a
Isang ganun lang.
feeling when
Tapos
they
na.
actually called and said,
Natutuwa lang kasi ako natutunaw siya sa tubig.
manager asked me to be
Hanggang ngayon, Beloka pa din ba sila?
their endorsers. So parang it's actually nice to endorse or actually share a brand that you
Kim, si Kim, oh.
recommend.
Ang hinhin mo dyan, Kim. Nanggigigil ako sa'yo. Ay, tingin! Kim! Who would have thought, Kim, no? Who would have thought na makalove team mo siya after several years?
I get to keep up and I get
So, ibig sabihin, ang Beloka naniniwala na talaga before sa kanila, sa Kim Pao.
like a long and hectic and tiring day.
Diba? Nakikitaan na nila ng chemistry. Charis! Ano, pinakawalan siguro. Ay, wait lang, may kulitan ba sila? May kulitan ba sila? Bakit may kulitan? Oh, tinan mo si Paulo, tinan mo si Paulo. Pabibi si Paulo, oh, tinan mo si Paulo.
Finish like a long and
Tinan yun si Paulo. Ayun, oh, pabibi si Paulo, oh. Ayun, oh. Pabibi talaga siya ever since. Pabibi talaga siya.
And syempre,
Yes, Kim? Yeah? Ay,
dates, love life.
ba't ganun? Hindi naman sila nagyayakapan. Kinikilig ako sa kanila. Charis!
Syempre,
Ang mga functions, walang na...
I sometimes forget to take my vitamins. Pero now that I'm having a more active lifestyle, like
Oh.
enjoying fun run, half marathon, dual
Si Paulo, parang nagpapalo. Ay, papagwapo si Paulo kay Kim. Papagwapo.
or many other fitness
Kim, tingin ka sabi ni Paulo. Kim, tingin ka naman dito kasi dito ako. Charis!
active, like spinning, tayo dalawa. Yeah, spin
Ay, spinning.
together. And
Oh,
syempre,
nagalit na si Paulo kasi tayong dalawa, sabi ni Kim. Ba't hindi ako kasama? Sabi ni Paulo.
dami ko mga adventures.
Yan, no, kaaway ni Paulo si Self.
I'll just adventures
Charis.
with
Ayun. Oh, plastic ng tawa ni Paulo doon. Ang plastic ng tawa ni Paulo doon.
everywhere we have
Yung mga minamahal mo ba sa buhay, binibigyan mo rin pero
Ay, wait lang, ba't parang iba yung tanong ni Paulo doon?
always feels ko
Paulo, parang may lambing talaga si Paulo, gagi. Charis, kilig na kilig si Akla.
Usually I join
Bakit kilig na kilig si Akla for today's video?
21-kilometer run. And then after that, I go straight to ASAP. And then after that, may pictorial or...
Hang busy, ah.
After that, I attend...
Hang busy ni Kim.
Like, go out with family and friends. And they ask me, where do you get your energy? What does keep you going? Or parang, saan galing yung energy mo? Kaya mo pa ba? So now, this is really my secret. I take 1 Baroka a day to conquer my big day. This is not joking because I'm part of Baroka family, but sobrang tagal na I've been using this product and I've been very loyal to this product. And like Paolo, like it's very useful to us, lalo na sa lahat ng mga hardworking or to everyone who's been into studying, memorizing.
Okay.
It really helps us to keep going every day of our
Ay,
lives. So,
taray.
one broke a day, you will conquer your big day.
Ay, one Biloka, they will conquer your big day. I love that. I love that.
Paglalabas ka pa lang, dadalhin mo yung
Yeah, dalawa na.
True.
Gawa ng chaser para...
Chaser.
And you know what, I think it's also very
Ginagawa mo chaser.
and follow as our ambassadors kasi kalaban talaga ng fitness is pagod.
Ah.
Sa taping, makauwi ka ng 3 a.m. Pagising mo, medyo matambay ka pa rin. So you
Shots.
guys say one Baroka and hindi kayo pumapayag na pigilan ng mga activities nyo yung trabaho nyo.
Oo.
Yes.
Especially
Yesterday once more.
They multitasking. Everybody has a lot to do. They don't just, go to work and go to sleep.
Yes.
That's it, no?
Even the people with 9 to 5 jobs, just may mga sidelines pa sila, di ba? They really don't want to let their work get in the way of the activities that we love to do as Filipinos.
Okay.
Kasi nga, may studies kanina na it improves your brain function.
Right.
So parang, di ba, parang mentally draining na to check in social media all the time, tapos magtatrabaho ka pa. So, yeah, it's a nice, it's important to start your day with Baroka.
Yes, because Baroka really helps you conquer every big
Okay,
thing.
tapos na to. Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video with Kim Pao. So, tingnan mo ha, the difference of between then and now. Sobrang layo na talaga. Malayo na, pero malayo pa. Pero feeling ko malapit na. Cha! This is KJ Vlogs. See you in my next vlog. Bye!